Welcome everyone. Today I want to show you guys how to automatically shut down your Windows computer by just clicking a single button. So this is very simple. All I'm going to have you do is go down here, click on here, and you're going to click on shutdown. Okay, now that my joke is out of the way, this is how it works. So these are my files. I've got a 1 hour shutdown, 3 hour shutdown, 15 minutes, and a cancel. So essentially all you have to do is click on the file and you'll see my Windows PC will shut down in 180 minutes. Now let's say I'm still at my PC, I'm still using it, and I decide I need a little bit of more time before this thing shuts down. All I have to do is click on the cancel shutdown and it will cancel the file out, so it will no longer automatically shut down. Very easy to use. All you have to do is click the button and it's fine. This helps especially when it comes to downloading our games nowadays. They reach 60 to 100 gigabytes in size, so sometimes you want to leave it to download while you're at work or whatever, but I'm digressing here. Let me get to the point and show you guys how this works. So our shutdown script, all we're gonna need to do before I confuse anyone, let me just do this. Okay, so we're gonna create a new text document. In the text document, what we're going to do is type in shutdown. By the way, I will leave this in the description so you guys can just copy paste this. .exe space /s space /t, and then here you're going to put in your time. So if you guys don't feel like doing any maths, you're more than welcome to just Google how many hours or like how many seconds are there in a certain amount of hours, and then just get the number from Google. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, we're going to create a 4-hour shutdown. So the way we're going to do this is, because this thing takes time in seconds, we're going to first start by putting in 60 seconds times 60 minutes so we can get an hour. Now we're going to multiply it by 4 hours and we're going to get our time of 14,400. So we're going to put in that number, 14,400. And now we're going to go to File, Save As. We're going to save this as 4HR shutdown .bat. The .bat is extremely important because this is going to make it run as a batch file in CMD, and that's going to allow your Windows to read the text as a command. Next, you're going to change this file type to all files, and you're simply going to click on Save. That should do it. Now our 4-hour shutdown, if we click on it, 240 minutes, our PC is going to shut down. That's all it takes. That's done. Okay, now the last thing I need to show you guys is how to cancel the shutdown. So it's very simple. All you're going to do is, once again, in a text document, you're going to type in something even simpler. Once again, this is in the description, so you can just copy and paste this. You're going to type in shutdown -automatic. So -a, that's it. That's all it takes. So we're going to go to File. I'm going to save as. And I'm going to call this one cancel. Oh. Okay, I had to take a second to breathe because I could not type the word cancel for the life of me. So cancel 2. I'm gonna call this one cancel2.bat so that you guys can see the new one that I'm making is working. So I'm going to save that. Okay, now just to confirm that it's working, we're going to run our 4-hour shutdown. We're going to see it says I'm going to be signed out. Great. And now if we just double click on cancel, the shutdown has been cancelled. So that's all it takes for you to make a few files that you can use to automatically shut down your PC, so you can leave it on to download, upload, whatever it is that you might need. I hope this helps you guys out, and I hope you guys found it useful. You know what to do if you liked the video. I hope you guys enjoy your day.